Wiring of Power Supply Module. Let's start with a brief introduction to the 750 mA Power Supply Module. As you can see, there are 3 terminals at the top, which are used for input wiring. The 2 ports below are the Buspro interfaces, supporting 2 types of connection methods. The first one is through terminal connections, and the second one is by tightening screws. However, it's important to note that these 2 interfaces are not interchangeable. All devices can only be connected to the same place. At the back of the module, there are movable clips. Place the module on the DIN rail and use the clips to secure it. If you need to remove the module, you can loosen the clips with a screwdriver. Next, bring out the neutral and live wire from the protective circuit breaker and connect it to the module. Connect the neutral and live wires. Ensure that the wires are securely clamped. Now, let's prepare to connect the wires for the signal part. Take out the dedicated cables where the colors correspond to each other. Simply match the colors and complete the wiring. For other devices, you can use cables to connect modules to each other hand in hand, forming connections between modules.